Here's the latest in tech that you need to know about. I'm Kurt the CyberGuy, and these are my 5 ways you can travel like a pro for a worry-free trip. Traveling should be fun and memorable, so don't let it turn into a nightmare by not being prepared with these products. First, try out these Bluetooth wireless sleep headphones. They're great for air travel or taking a nap or while working out and sleeping wherever you are. They have over 45,000 ratings online because you can enjoy hands-free music and protect you from being disturbed no matter the travel conditions. Next, these vacuum compression bags are actually really simple, but they will change your packing game completely. These ones from Amazon allow you to get the most space out of your luggage, and you can either use the provided hand pump, or my trick is to use the hose of your vacuum cleaner, and you'll be amazed how much room you'll save in your bags. Next, you may already travel with a reusable water bottle, but this one from LifeStraw allows you to drink clean filtered water no matter where you're traveling. The straw that's built in filters out microplastics, chlorine, organic chemical matter, sand, dirt, cloudiness, and more every time you take a sip of water. Plus, it improves the taste. If you don't have a portable charger, my next tip is to get one so that you can charge up your devices no matter where your travel brings you. If you end up on an airplane that doesn't have an outlet, or a train or bus seat where the electricity isn't working on all the seats, you'll be glad you packed a portable charger. I recommend this one from Anchor that'll charge a phone to 50% in just 30 minutes, and it provides over 4 full charges to your smartphone. Finally, if you like to read a book while traveling, I highly recommend getting an e-reader. You can get a Kindle on sale during one of Amazon's annual Prime Days, or get one before your next trip. You'll save hundreds of dollars on books a year, plus packing will be so much simpler as it fits into just about any bag super easily. For more of my picks, head to cyberguy.com and search travel. And while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.